Welcome to 555 Cooking Ideas, your friendly place for simple and delicious recipes from around the world. Today I will show you how to make a rich, comforting, and simple homemade curry, step by step. This curry is beginner-friendly and can be made with vegetables or chicken. Curry is made using onions, spices, tomatoes, and a gentle cooking process. We start by preparing the base of the curry. Slice 1 or 2 onions into thin pieces. Garlic and ginger give curry deep flavor. Finely chop a few cloves of garlic. Chop a small piece of fresh ginger. You can use vegetables or chicken for this curry. Cut potatoes, carrots, or any vegetables into medium pieces. If using chicken, cut it into bite-sized pieces. Heat a little oil in a pan on medium flame. Let the oil heat gently, not too hot. Add the sliced onions into the pan. Cook the onions slowly until soft and lightly golden. Add the chopped garlic and ginger. Stir gently so nothing burns. Now we add the spices. Add a small amount of turmeric. Add curry powder or garam masala for warmth. Add chili powder according to your taste. Mix everything well so the spices release their aroma. Add chopped tomatoes or canned tomatoes. Let the tomatoes cook until soft and thick. Add salt to balance the flavors. Add the vegetables into the curry base. If using chicken, add it now and mix gently. Stir everything so the vegetables or chicken coat with spices. Add water or stock to create the curry sauce. Let the curry simmer gently on low heat. Cover the pan and let it cook slowly. Slow cooking allows the flavors to deepen. Stir the curry from time to time. Cook until vegetables or chicken are tender. You can add coconut milk for a creamy curry. Pour gently and mix slowly. The curry now looks rich and smooth. Fresh coriander or parsley adds freshness. Chop the herbs finely. Sprinkle herbs on top. Let the curry cook for a few more minutes. Taste and adjust salt or spice if needed. Curry tastes great with rice, naan, or bread. Now we are ready to serve. Serve the curry hot into a bowl. Look at the rich color and smooth texture. Warm, comforting, and full of flavor. Curry is perfect for family meals and weekends. This curry works beautifully as a vegetarian dish, or enjoy it with tender chicken pieces. Store leftovers in the fridge and reheat gently. Reheat on low heat for best taste. Homemade curry is nourishing and comforting. Your simple homemade curry is ready to enjoy. You are watching 555 Cooking Ideas. If you enjoy easy recipes from around the world, please like the video and subscribe. Press the bell icon so you never miss a new recipe. Thank you for watching and cooking along with me today. Take care, enjoy your meal, and see you again in the next delicious video from 555 Cooking Ideas.